Napaka-resting, guys. Napakabigat itong 16 kilos na batang ito, ah.
Mommy, si Daddy Kuya
Where are we
house.
going, Tawi? Where are we going? Where are we going nga? Anong hehehehe? Look, oh. We're going the baby, oh. Look. Out of gas. How much speed you're going? Oh. Yes, baby. What do you want? Ay, bitawan, guys. Tabi! Yabalata! Joanne, are you happy? Are you happy? Ruan, what are you doing? Makalimutan mo yan, ah. Habang naghahantay ng food, makukulit para mag-behave. Strawberry milkshake. Oh, Ruan, oh. Strawberry milkshake, oh. Tawi! Oh! Yan sa'yo, nak. Tignan mo naman yung in-order ko, nak. Tapos ano gusto mo? Ano lang gusto mo? Nips? Sana nips na lang binili ko, no?
Mommy!
Yes. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, nauna na sa work mo. Daddy, oh. Nauna na. Up na, Ruan.